have a super simple strategy for deductions that I'll give everybody. So every time I spend money, I don't ever spend it directly from the business because you want to protect your corporate veil. And a lot of people have a business credit card and then they accidentally put something that's not business related on it, which actually, if you're ever sued, could become an issue. So I put everything on a personal card and then I have the businesses reimburse. And when they reimburse, I always go, I want to write this off. But if I'm not 100% sure I can write it off, I just save it for my quarterly meeting with my tax team and say stupid things like, hey, I'm going to Italy. I want to write part of this trip off. They're like, we can't really write it off. I'm like, what if I host a mastermind one of the days? What if we do our corporate compliance meetings while we're there? What if I go film where my great grandfather was from and have that be an intro to this project that we're working on? And by the end of the conversation, I'm at 55% of the trips are write off because now I've documented it. Now I've talked through the strategy. I mean, I bought a Can-Am, one of those like Batmobile looking things. I'm like, I want to write this off. And they're like, why would you be able, like, why would you be able to write it off? I'm like, because in the intro of my podcast, it's on there. And when guests come that are part of the podcast guests, this is part of the allure appeal to get them to come to me so I'm travel. So we were able to write a percentage of that off. Like these are the conversations that are a little bit out there. So I don't just automatically write them off. So I just document it. Simply, I use a credit card and then I write notes next to the credit card statement. Which company needs to be reimbursed and is it deductible or not? I just put a question mark if I'm not sure. We have that quarterly meeting and find it out.